Okay, sorry for the mess. Today I'm in the middle of cleaning up the kitchen and organizing stuff, so it looks like this. But I'm super hungry, and for a while I was thinking to prepare French fries and burgers and what else? Oh, asparagus, I guess. So let's start with potatoes. I want to make them crispy. So I read on the internet that you need to soak them with cold water. I think they didn't mention anything about ice cubes, but I think I'm going to add some. And my potatoes are on their last legs. It looks like this. Not well, I think I need another one, just another bowl for the remains. So they look like that. Oh man, what's this? It's a new form. Well, it looks like I don't have a lot of options here, and I'm too lazy to go to the store. I mean, I'm too hungry to be honest. But I'm going to soak them for 30 minutes. You know my logic. I was thinking to go to the store for new potatoes, but then decided to use them because they can be used, you know. I'm using, what's this, roasted potatoes. Probably ball potatoes are better for French fries, but we'll see. So the idea here is to make them crispy, and yeah, that's the idea. We'll see. This is my first time. Oh, by the way, I know the difference between roast and baking. So basically, it's the temperature. With roast, we talk about taking food above 400 Fahrenheit degrees, of course. Degrees Fahrenheit. I mean, that's the correct order. And baking is up to 400 degrees. So that's the difference. I had a dilemma like in previous videos, so that's the answer. What's this? Is it like mold? No, it's not. What's this? Is it safe to eat it? I don't know. I have no space here. Okay, so I am thinking about cutting them in, what's this? In French fries shape. So where's some kind of here? That's the knife. Let's do it. Today's a heat wave, so this is a perfect opportunity to just get burger, right? With French fries, with cold French fries. Oh. But I really like to eat it, you know. I don't know why I decided to do something like that, just in the middle of heat wave, but something like that. I mean, this is my finger. So, something like that. It's hurting. It's sticking to fingers. Okay, place it like that. And cold water. I was thinking maybe I should use the one from the fridge. Let's start with that. Oh, okay. And the idea here is, oh, I forgot about this. Yes. Okay. So the idea here is to wait for 30 minutes until they soak and then pat them dry. That's the order of steps. So see you in 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm back again. And I'm going to preheat the oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to place the parchment paper. Oh, how to open this? The parchment paper on my oh man, what's this? It's like for baking? Perfect for baking, okay. Because the color is misleading. Usually the parchment paper is like beige or brown, not white. The white one looks like a sandwich paper, you know. So that's why it was confusing for me. Place it here, and just save it here for a while. I got this Artisan buns. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pot dry the sweet potatoes. Okay, so I think I'm going to line it here. So the idea is to place it here, and then use paper towel to make it dry quickly. And then I'm going to use again this bowl. Oh, see, at least the start is here. And then I'm going to use this bowl for seasoning purposes. And this is it could be a meditation, you know, if you take one French fry and just rub it against the paper. And as for the spices, I'm pretty sure I'm going to use olive oil and maybe some thyme, I'm not sure. Olive oil, so 1 tablespoon. I believe it's 1 tablespoon. A little bit of stirring and spices. I have garlic here. I don't know, maybe some smoked paprika. And where's that thyme? These are seasoning. That's not good. I think I lost my thyme. Oh, here, rosemary. Okay, rosemary sounds good. Maybe these 4 spices. I'm going to use some garlic. Then a little bit of rosemary. Oh. And smoked paprika. Oh my god, for the color probably. And flavor too. And organic paprika. It's improvisation, okay. I didn't say this. And proportion spices, so no idea what I'm doing. And then I'm going to place this French fries here, like next to each other. Oh my god. This one's like bigger than the rest, so in the middle. The biggest ones are in the middle, and the rest is on the borders. Oh my god. Okay, almost done here. The next step will be just need to quick cleaning of the chopping board. I just realized I don't have tomatoes here. Give me a second, I'm coming back from. Got one. This one is organic. That's why that's why that's two stickers, I guess. Yeah, stickers, sticky notes. That's a different one. Where's like my serrated knife? I just realized I was starting preparing ingredients for the burgers, but I don't have like meat right now. Maybe I should have started with onion. So what I'm going to do here is to put it like that, and then half. Where's like bowl? This one can go. Let's it here because chaotic environment. Okay, so this one. So the idea here would be to place it like that. Oh man, I don't want to. Whoa, that's not good. Feels like it's 250. It feels like, I don't know, just the temperature is off by 100 degrees. It's like, I don't know, I'm confused here. I think I need another temperature, oven temperature, to make sure that the one, it doesn't work. It's so confusing. But how many degrees? That's a lot. Okay, so I'm starting with the onion. And because the idea is to just do it like that. What am I going to add to meat? I just realized that I wanted to add some garlic. And then I remove garlic from the counter, so... I was thinking to add, I have a great idea right now. Maybe I'm going to add caramelized onion inside burger buns. That's a great idea, right? This one's supposed to be for the burgers, but let's start invent. 3 minutes. Oh, so I need to use the, late dinner. Okay, so I'm waiting for the pan to be ready, and I'm going to prepare ingredients to be on the bun. Here. I'm removing the hard part. Otherwise, I'm going to place into the fridge. Usually I place a lid, but it's here, like that. And yeah, and what else? Maybe Parmesan later. Oh, where's the meat? Here. Give me that meat. So I'm going to use. Oh no, I need scissors. Where's up? Okay. I think I need lettuce too. Oh, what's this? What's happening here? It's like outer layer, and I only need like 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go with 6, please. Oh, I just realized that 3 minutes passed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add olive oil, like here, and then wait for 1 minute. Oh my god, 1 minute. This one is removing this crunchy part, and the rest is here. Place it here. Okay, so 1 minute passed, and I need some. Whoa. Okay, and this is like I'm going to add some Parmesan here because later I will forget about it. So this is like my reminder to use Parmesan cheese. I think 1 tablespoon. And place it here. And just grab it there. I feel like I'm procrastinating with the meat, so I think it's time to use some right now. Maybe I start with the buns. Oh, they look delicious. Artisan. I think I need 3 of them. Oh, and this one is like dirty, like wet, not dirty. This is for later. Inside, I feel like I don't have a lot of space here. Usually what I do is just remove the some parts from the bun because I want a full match. And what I do with this, I leave it. That's me. And go with 3 maybe. Like that. Where is here? Well, I'm not for you know. Okay, with it. No, I'm talking. It is like European buns. A little bit different, right? It's like American version. I'm not sure because maybe here. I'm debating right now where to mix the meat. I think I'm going to do it here. Maybe this one. And this one's like dirty. I was supposed to use it. Like, I think it's fine for here. The idea was, wow, that's a lot of meat. But I wanted to use this to have, like, during mixing. So what's happening? Oh, I think that's my fries. Give me a second, I'm coming to your oven. This is like challenging, you know? Timer stop. What to say? Maybe 5 more minutes. I give this roast to clear and roast and like, and timer 5 minutes maybe. Maybe I should check the potatoes, you know? Okay, that's fine. Oh no, they aren't crispy. They're not cooked at all. Oh man, but I feel like they're ready. Okay, let's come back to the meat. Well, I'm going to add some spices. So let's start with some salt. I don't have the glass for this, so I'm a little bit starved because really I would use my hand. But I know it's super cold. Maybe add some garlic too, make it consistent with what? What did I use garlic? For the fries. And maybe a little bit of this garlic gold nuggets. For crispy effect here. Effect. That's enough. And what else? I think that's it. What's happening? Okay. I think I'm going to use my hands here. I got. Oh, this one. Forget about this. This is my left hand. I don't know what I'm doing with my left hand right now. I'm trying to stir it a little bit. But in my time it looks easy. The idea was to add this onions here to the meat and then place meat. What's this? A garlic nugget? I don't like this. And then place this onto the frying pan. But then I realized that, I don't know what you like realize. Oh. I did realize that my pan is dirty because of the onions. Maybe let's start with the buns. Oh. Yeah, because the idea was to, I can place it here. The idea was to cut the onions finally after, oh, it's not dirty, good news. Right now I'm super impatient, so that's why I'm just waiting for the onion to be great, to be brownish to the core, just like that. Place it here. And this will be challenging because I need to cut hot onions here on the cutting board. Let's use that. Okay, I could have used some kind of blender or chopper or something like that. It would be easier and super finely cut. Okay, timer off. I think they're ready. Let me grab one of them. It's super hot, so oh wow, they're crispy. Oh my god, they are! Wow, I think I found a method to make them crispy in your cooker. Wow. Okay. Okay, so again, I don't know why I'm moving here. More cutting. I think I need a chopping board for the meat right now. So place it here. And where is like meat? This is like, oh, this one is for raw meat, I think. That was the one I used before. And this is nice. This is like hot, and this is like cold. So a real mixture. Okay, I'm moving my cat to the wrong side. And right now I'm forming the burger patties. I don't have a form for this. I actually have, but I want to use the rings for this. That's why they have artisan shapes. And we are going to wash my hands. I think I need some kind of spatula here. Oh, I have one for the burger. So right now, again, I'm coming back to, let's make it like 1 minute. This one is super hot, I guess, or not. Pretty hot. But this is like regular hot, it's not like warm, no. So, I'm not going to burger because usually when I'm ready with the fries, the buns are cold, so it's just like a constant battle to maintain the proper temperature. And I'm not sure if I should use some kind of oil here, maybe a little bit. Oh man, too much oil. Grab some, oh my god. I think it's ready. I'm going to add some, oh man, not this one. 1, 2, oh wait, I should move it here. And the second one. And the idea is to move it after 2 minutes, I guess. I mean, flip to the other side, flip sides. Oh, here are confusing. Place it here. I think I'm going to remove, I'm not sure, maybe I start with burger buns. Repeat, there is a function repeat. Okay, makes sense. Hmm. 40 seconds. I think I'm going to prepare mayo and I have ketchup here and ketchup for the fries. Place it here. It's time to flip them. Timer, where's my up here? Okay. Well, they don't. Well, it's hard to keep them in one piece. That's interesting. I don't know why. Oh wow, that's a creation. I'm going to repeat my buns right now. Oh man, they got repeat. And I'm aiming for 72, I guess, Fahrenheit. Well, what's happening? I mean, okay, whatever. That's so strange. I see pink parts here, okay? Don't lie to me. And this one goes with, okay, no repeat. What is up here? Something is wrong here. Because this one says it's like, oh man, so confusing. I was aiming for that. I'm really confused right now. Need to double check. Sorry, my mistake. When I said 71, I was aiming for Celsius. But as for Fahrenheit, it would be 160. So the thermometer says it all. It's not ready. Wow. I'm changing to medium low because they need more minutes to be ready. And right now, they're not. Let me clean them one more time. Oh man. Confusing. Anyway, cover this. Faster effect. And give it like 1 minute. So another bun is ready, right? What's this? Okay. I'm going to remove French fries and place them place them here. Just, Let me crap. The temperature. It's like not ready, you know? It's almost, but it's not. 2 minutes. What I need to do is I'm going to use tongs. Oh no, I'm not going to do anything. Just slice out here. Oh yeah. Parchment paper is the way. And the rest I'm going to present here on the plate. Okay. Oh, they're ready. They ready? Ready. So, take out. Oh, yeah. Since I counting calories, I'm going to take this one. 101. So this one goes here. This one goes here. And the last one goes here. On top of that, I'm going to add, grabbing the entire plate, place it like that, place it like that, a little bit of Parmesan, and voila, almost ready. And where's, maybe like that, for the flavor, more like for presentational purposes. And they look like this, and the fries like that. So, thank you for watching, and happy eating.